Another day, another story. Hello and welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to build a PC on a budget. Building your own PC can be a great way to save money while also getting the satisfaction of customizing your own system. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of building a budget-friendly PC step by step. Step 1. Planning and research. Before starting the actual building process, it is important to plan and research the components you will need for your build. Determine the budget you have and what components you will need to build a PC. Look for budget-friendly options for components such as the processor, motherboard, graphics card, RAM, storage, and power supply. Make sure the components you choose are compatible with each other. Step 2. Purchasing components. Once you have a list of components, it's time to purchase them. Look for deals and discounts to save money. You can also buy used components if they are in good condition to save even more money. Be sure to purchase from reputable sellers. Step 3. Preparing the workspace. Before starting the building process, make sure you have a clean and organized workspace. You will need a clean and flat surface to assemble the PC, and you should also have access to a screwdriver and anti-static wrist strap. Step 4. Assembling the PC. Now it's time to start assembling the PC. Start by installing the CPU into the motherboard. Be sure to handle the CPU carefully and align it correctly with the motherboard. Next, install the RAM into the motherboard. Again, be sure to align the RAM correctly and push it into place. Install the power supply into the case and then connect the cables from the power supply to the motherboard and other components. Install the storage drives into the case and connect them to the motherboard. Then, install the graphics card into the motherboard and secure it in place with screws. Connect the cables from the graphics card to the power supply. Step 5. Testing. Once you have assembled the PC, it's time to test it to make sure everything is working properly. Connect the monitor, keyboard, and mouse to the PC and turn it on. If everything is working properly, you will see the BIOS screen. If not, check the connections and make sure all the components are installed correctly. Conclusion. Congratulations, you have successfully built a budget-friendly PC. Building a PC can be a fun and rewarding experience, and it can save you money in the long run. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching.